Okay. So corners in first.
And then just slide it on over top.
Yep.
How's the bunk coming?
Sweet.
Sweet. Our first little spot. I'm checking the grass and looking in the dust and definitely anything wet. Our tracks right there. We gotta make sure there's no cubs. That's step one. Okay. If we see them. This is a good sign. This is a male bear. The males come by to signify how tall and how dominant they are. They'll come. They'll grab this tree over here. If we look close for the pricey bite marks on it too. Then he'll grab it, pull it down across his head, and break it off right at head height. And he tries to cheat and pull it down a bit. So to the girls and the other males, they're like, oh, there's a giant bear in here. Golly.
That's not on, is it?
No.
Okay. I thought it was on for a second.
No. We're not like filming anything here. Certainly no bears.
Yeah, exactly.
I heard one last night.
You should be careful with that.
It sounded close.
Why?
What could ever go wrong?
Well, healed
It
up
healed
again.
pretty good, yeah.
Maybe I'm a slow learner.
Well, you'll fit in around here then.
Yeah.
We've seen a lot of bear-like stumps.
That one got me twice. You're kind of hard charging up the hill though. You gotta slow it down. You're just like ready to tear it up.
That's probably not true, but thanks for saying it.
Well, throw you a bone every now and then.
Yeah.
No, anything. You can't do anything wrong right now.
You're the first person that ever said that to me.
Yeah, I know. General likability. It's the honesty. Fuck, they could come right out of this draw behind us.
So we can even look like where we were before, because
Yeah.
it could wander up, right?
Oh,
Even
totally.
behind us.
100%. Like when we go back, when we go for our midday trek back, that hill we walked right up from camp away from, there could be bears out on that. That's actually where I seen two. I'm kind of leaving bears to find bears. It's never really a good idea, but this is just such good ground everywhere that it's just a matter of time. But not a hard starter usually. This thing cuts really well, though. Yeah, it might jump a bit for sure. It only cuts on the pole.
We can just limit now. Yeah.
So he's not a giant, but we'll see. He's just down over here.
Was he running?
Oh yeah.
We know you're there. They can't hear you.
But still no scat on the road there.
No.
Well, it won't be tick tick boom. It's gonna be little Rod Bear if he takes that.
We're going.
Oh.
We are not lost. We are not lost.
I can hit.
You can hit her from 600 yards away, but from 5, it's a little bit more difficult. There we go.
We're about to hear shots here from the group down below.
Oh man, I hope so.
I'm a good judge of bears. I've killed Boone and Crockett bears, and I glassed up what I think is a tank. And he's a few kilometers away, but maybe 6 kilometers overland, but we're going for him. And,
We're gonna go.
Yeah, we're gonna
He might be tucked back in.
So Rod asks, what did you say, Rod? You said, is this
Well,
the
I
right
said,
thing to
you
do?
know, we have all this great territory here. Should we stay the course, or does it make more sense? Is it the right decision to go across the valley, pack all our stuff, go drive all the way over there, and just track that one?
This is the right decision. This
Yeah.
is a once-in-a-lifetime bear.
This is
Okay.
good. This
Yeah,
is
and
pretty
it's
crazy.
just-
You chalk this up.
It's just a matter of wind. No one is going to disturb this bear where he is. If anyone's going to screw it up, it's going to be us.
Yeah.